Welcome to MK Tech. I'll show you in this video how you can make a simple 750 watts inverter with just a few components. The heart of the circuit is the CD4047 IC. For the MOSFET, you can use the IRF3205 MOSFETs. You can handle 30 amperes. So with per transistor, you can easily obtain 300 watts. So if you parallel 3 of these, you can obtain more than 900 watts, which is more than enough for these projects. If you just want to use one MOSFET, you can use the IRF3205, which have a current rating of 98 amperes. So with just one, you can easily obtain 1000 watts. But ensure that you mount the MOSFETs on heat sinks for dissipating all the excess heat. So the connections are shown here. You need 12 volts from a 12 volts battery. So connect pin 4, 5, 6 and 14 to the positive rail, and connect pin 7, 8, 9 and 12 to the negative rail as shown. To control the output frequency, you need to connect pin 1 via 0.22 microfarads capacitor to pin 3 as shown here. This is the timing capacitor, and connect a 19 kilo ohm resistor across pin 2 and 3 as shown. This will give you an oscillation frequency of 50 Hz. So the outputs are at pins 10 and 11. They are complementaries of each other, meaning when 10 is high, 11 is low, and vice versa. So when 10 is high, the first MOSFET will conduct, since its gates will be turned on. So this will allow current to flow from the positive rail through the upper primary winding, through the drain, through the source, and to ground. So when pin 10 turns low and pin 11 turns high, the first MOSFET will turn off, but the other MOSFET will conduct. So current will flow through the lower half primary winding, through the MOSFET, and to ground. So this is the push-pull inverter circuit with a high power output capacity. So ensure that the transformer has a rating of 12 on one side and 230 volts on the other side. And if you use it back to back, it will allow you to transform 12 volts to 240 volts on the other side. But I recommend you use a microwave oven transformer, since you can easily find one, and they have a high power rating. You just need to retain the primary winding, but make your own secondary windings as shown, which will allow you to customize whichever voltage you want as your output. So that's all about this inverter circuit. It's a powerful inverter circuit which can easily handle 750 watts, and yet it's stable and reliable with the CD4047 IC and power MOSFETs. I recommend you use 3 of the IRF34 MOSFETs parallel together and mounted on a decent heat sink, or you can use the IRF3205 MOSFETs. You just need one for both sides, since they have the appropriate current rating, and don't forget to mount them also on heat sinks to dissipate the excess heat. So that's all about this inverter circuit. Please don't forget to comment below, like this video, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials and projects, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.